Ito nga pala si Realme P1 Speed 5G. Ilan sa features nito ay nakapokus about sa gaming, tulad ng stainless steel vapor cooling system, GT mode powered by flagship GT technology, at naka 90 FPS na siya sa mga major global games. Sa ngayon, hindi pa ito available dito sa atin, pero kung gusto nyo malaman ang estimated price nito, pakitapos lang ang buong video. Meron siyang 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED eSports display with 1080 by 2400 pixel resolution, may 120Hz refresh rate at may 180Hz touch sampling rate, and up to 1200Hz instantaneous sampling rate na may 2000 nits peak brightness, at ito ay may rainwater smart touch support. Ang Realme P1 Speed 5G ay may operating system na Realme UI 5.0 based on Android 14 with MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Energy 4nm chipset na may Mali G615 MC2 na GPU. Ang smartphone na to ay may 8 or 12GB of RAM plus up to 14GB dynamic RAM with 128 or 256GB UFS 3.1 internal storage, expandable via microSD. Pagdating naman sa kanyang camera, ang Realme P1 Speed 5G ay may 50MP main camera plus 2MP portrait camera plus speaker sensor with LED flash at may up to 4K at 30fps video recording with gyro EIS. Meron siyang 16MP selfie camera na may up to 1080p at 30fps video recording. Sa kanya naman battery, meron siyang 5000 mAh battery capacity with 45W fast charging. Meron itong under-display fingerprint scanner at ito ay may stereo dual speakers. Sa dimensions, meron siyang 161.7 by 74.7 by 7.6mm at may timbang na 185 grams with IP65 dust and water resistance, at ito ay may hybrid dual SIM. Sa connectivity, meron siyang 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS, QZSS, FM radio, headphone jack, and USB Type-C. Ngayon naman guys, dito na tayo sa kanyang price. Ang estimated price ng Realme P1 Speed 5G ay around 12,300 pesos. Ito ay price conversion lamang at pwede pa ito magbago kung sakaling magiging available ito sa Philippines. Ano sa tingin nyo guys? Sulit ba ang Realme P1 Speed 5G? Please comment down below. Guys, kung nagustuhan nyo ang video natin ngayon, ay huwag nyo kalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe. Maraming salamat!